Hello and welcome to Excel Nana. In this video, I will show you how to insert row between data. In the case that you would like to insert a blank row in between is the data rows. In this video, I will show you for two samples. The first one, in the case that you would like to insert a blank row between every line of data. For the second sample, in the case that we would like to insert some rows between each of data group. How can we do it in the easy way? Look at our data. We have the data listed like this, and what we would like to do is insert the row between each line of the data. So normally we will do like this, like click and then insert. But in the case that if we have hundreds or thousands rows of data, so making like this will waste much of time and effort. So I will show you how to do it less than 1 minute. Before I show you how to, I will explain about the concept first. In this case, okay, if I add here one more column, assume is the source sequence. You can see that the first ID, assume that it will be the sequence number 1 and followed by a blank row that I assume is to be sequence number 1, 2. Then go to the ID number 2, the sequence will be number 2. So this ID will have blank row for itself, number 2, and then continue as like this. Then we will use this concept to do our work. Okay, let's undo. Yeah, so I will add the new column, maybe just the source, and then we can use this ID to be the source key. So I copy and paste it here, and as we would like to insert the blank row, I will add one set of ID below like this. So you can see that we have the source sequence with data and source sequence without data. That means the blank row. Next, if we would like to apply the format here, so I will copy all the row of the record, and then I select the new rows that we just added, and then right click and paste special format. This one, formatting. We already have format and blank row. Then finally we select the sort column and go to ribbon data, and then ascending sort. So we already have the blank rows in between each record. Finally, we don't need this column anymore, so I select this column and then go to home, clear and clear all. Here we already finished. For more condition, in the case that if our data is not sorted by ID, and then we would like to keep the order to be same as the original data. For the sample, if our quantity is sorted by quantity like this, but we ignore the quantity, we look at the ID. In the case that if our data is not sorted by ID, like 1, 2, and then 5, 10, and we would like to keep the pattern like this, and we don't know it's sorted by name or by quantity, we don't know, but we would like to keep the sort sequence like this, like the original data. So in this case, we cannot use ID to be sort sequence. I will add the sort and we just input 1, 2, and then double click. So Excel will automatically fill the running number down. Then we can select all of this running number, copy it, and then paste it below. Okay, the same. We can select the entire row of the current data and then select our appended data. Right click to paste special formatting. Here, we already finishing our preparing. Then we select add source column. Okay, go to ribbon data and then sort it ascending like this. So we can maintain the same sequence. And the final, select this column, go to home, clear, and then clear all. Yes, we've already finished. Now we move to our second sample. In this case, we also have the group of data and the row that we would like to insert, not just after each data record, but after each group. So in this case, normally we can do like this. The same concept, we add a sort sequence column, and then we can copy the group here, and then copy it again another set. But actually we don't, in this case we have 11 records, but the row that we would like to insert between group, not between each record. So the inserted row, not 11 row like this, it should be only 3. So we can copy the all of the group ID like this. Then I undo it. So we need only 3, like for the sample, like the station, vegetable, and fruit, like this, and then sort. This is what we want. Undo. But in the case that if we have many of group, maybe we have totally thousands of records and also hundreds of groups, so making like this will waste much of time. So I will copy the group data and paste it here. Okay, this is a group. And then we will remove the duplicate data. So I select all and then go to data here, remove duplicate. And we will concern the column group. Then it's already removed the data. Then we have the data left already, so we can copy this one and paste to the source column. And then also the same, I copy the format. I select to the rows of our appended data and then select the paste special formatting. Now we can sort it like this. In this case, I add only one row. So if we would like to add two rows, I can copy this one set to be two sets, and then do the same. Go to the sort column, select data, and then sort here. Then we have two inserted rows between each group. But look at the group. It was sorted by the group name based on the alphabet. But in the case that if we would like to maintain the sort sequence, undo. If all the data in the same group is connected together, so we can do like this. This one, maybe station is a sequence number 1. So I will add the sequence here, and sequence will be like this: 1, 2, 3. Then here I use the VLOOKUP function. I will look up the group data, which group data is in the column C, to this table, and then paste F4. This is our table array, and then the column is the second column, and the matching is false. That means the exact match. Okay, here we can have the sequence here, number 1, but the below this one I will remove it first before I copy it down. So here you can see this is a 1, 2, and then 3. It will end here. For the inserted row, I will use this sequence, just 1, 2, 3. Just copy it and paste here. If we would like to have 2 inserted rows, so paste it again. 2 sets of data. Now we already finished our preparation. Then go to our column sort, and then add the ribbon data and sort ascending here. Now, yeah, we already finished our tip of insert rows between data and also data group. If you have any question, you can comment below, or you can contact me directly in my Facebook Excel Nana. Thank you for watching.